Wow! Lakas ng tama! Woo! God! Excuse me. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another episode of the Sister Series. This week, we're going to try different soju mixes. Interesting. What the heck are you doing? Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah. Finally, na-feature na din siya sa episode.
Hello!
Say hello to...
Guys! My girlfriend.
Sige guys. Hawa na ako. Say bye!
Okay.
Time to test the first mix. Cheers!
Kami guys.
Paano? Process pa ko.
Forward ka sa buti.
Ano kasabot?
Ano ay? No din. It's a no for me. Masyong tuba. Ito, no?
Hindi na mo siya type. I love coffee pero this is not my type.
This ain't right. Right from 1 to 10.
1, 2.
Negative 1. Ako, I'll rate it 3.
I love coffee, sorry, but no. Not this one. Couldn't handle the coffee mix, so like that. And for this, we're using cherry flavored soju. First is the Yakult. Yes, sponsor us. Woo! Yes. I don't know if we're doing it right. Samtoy siya.
Mumut ba siya?
I like it. Mango soju. Next, we are going to use this soju this time with mango. 2 shots. It's a favorite. It's a favorite. Another mango juice. Taste test.
I like it.
It's a cocktail-ish.
Cocktail siya.
I'll give it 8.5.
Okay.
Called the Strawberry Melona mix. 1 Strawberry Melona ice cream, Yakult, and of course, soju. Then, Melona. Asa na siyang ipalanay. Okay, time for taste test. Masyad mo nami nga candy nga naay igo.
Let me get your first taste. I'll rate this 7.5 na lang. My foot size. Baka naman may sponsor ng shoes.
Well, I'll give this 7.5. Next, we're going to try beer bomb. Beer bomb is originally 2 shots of fresh soju fresh and 1/2 glass of beer. But I don't think I can take it, so Mag-half glass rami of beer, guys. Okay, beer una. Beer. Next is soju. Half lang ang mo ibutang na soju. Okay, we're scared. Score! Here you go! Okay. I can't drink it in one go. Oh. But wow. Lakas ng tama. This is what we see in K-dramas. They actually put the shot glass inside. Woo! God. Kapit na. It's okay. Ganahan ako, in fairness. It's Aya's turn for the taste test. Actually, wala ko yung ma-feel na soju. Or what?
Ako ma-feel na soju, ako ma-feel na reverse. It's just malt. Huwag daw, it's just the reverse.
Wow, amazing. No, surprisingly, it's good. Ooh. Excuse me.
I will rate it 10 since I love red horse.
Ah, bias. Wait, in fairness, I don't like red horse, but I will give this an 8. Oh no, 8.5.